Chinatown Bangkok. Here, just here.
Hello and welcome back. Chinatown covers a large area in Bangkok, the capital city of Thailand. Bangkok's Chinatown is one of the largest Chinatown in the world. It is a really amazing place. At night, it turns into a large food street and I will show you exactly how it is. But before, if you didn't until now, please subscribe down below. My channel, it's about life, about 21st century international nomad lifestyle. Join me and we'll have great experiences to enrich our knowledge. We'll explore traditions and habits in different corners of the world and we'll find best places where to feel alive. Bangkok, the capital city of Thailand, is located in central Thailand in the Chao Phraya River Delta and is the most busy city in Thailand with a population of over 10 million people. Chinatown is located in one of the oldest areas in Bangkok. It covers a large area around the 𝐒𝐂𝐑𝐈𝐁𝐄𝐑 Road. Bangkok Chinatown is one of the largest Chinatown in the world and well known in Thailand as center for trading since more than 200 years. Chinatown Bangkok is a large area including the streets of Charawankrang Road, Mangong Road, Songwat Road, Songzwat Road, Ratchawang Road, Chakrawat Road, and the center of the area, 𝐒𝐂𝐑𝐈𝐁𝐄𝐑 Road. 𝐒𝐂𝐑𝐈𝐁𝐄𝐑 Road have 20 meters wide, 1.5 kilometers length, and the path of the road have the shape of a dragon's body, considered to be an auspicious place for business. The road have many shops selling gold, textile, clothes, souvenirs, antiques, electronics, second-hand parts, food and local delicacies. Hello. Welcome to Bangkok. 𝐒𝐂𝐑𝐈𝐁𝐄𝐑 Samphaeng Market is considered to be the center of Chinatown's area in Bangkok. Bangkok Chinatown is one of the largest Chinatown in the world and was founded in 1782 when the city was established as the capital of the kingdom. Hello, sir. Chinatown Bangkok serves as a hub for Chinese culture with many shops selling traditional goods and is well known as gastronomic destination for local and Chinese food. I tried the shark fin soup, which is very popular in Chinatown Bangkok. Shark fin soup is a dish served in China, Taiwan and Southeast Asia at special occasions, being considered a delicacy or luxury meal. Chinatown in Bangkok is truly amazing. Visitors are really fascinated by the busyness, the colorful lights, and the huge choice of street food.
Like
In Chinatown Bangkok, you can enjoy the specific Thai mangoes and many other fresh fruits. You can eat shark fin soup, grilled squid, and other seafood. You can have some tasty tom yum pork noodle. You can try some fried insects. Watch a movie in an ancient cinema. Buy colorful, fresh flowers. You can invest in gold or search for some unique antiquities in the multiple shops located around.
Yeah. Chinatown Bangkok. Here, just here, behind me.
เธอดึงดูดฉันดึงดูดเธอสองเรายัง
Right. Meat. Oh, the egg. The egg, I think it's in the tea, right? Boiled.
Thank you for watching. I hope to inspire you. If you enjoy my video, please give a like, share with others. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below and I will reply to you.
Hello, sir.